Sherry, we've been talking a lot about sun-theanine, L-Theanine. Let's talk about sun-theanine and our immune system. Can you tell us what things really tend to affect our immune system most in causing the onset of disease, what we can do, and how does L-Theanine fit into that?
Yeah, absolutely. There are a number of factors that affect the health of your immune system and your ability to fight off colds and flus. Factors such as your diet, your activity level, your level of stress, whether you're a smoker. All of these things can either impair or reduce your ability to fight off infections. So I think if you're looking for ways to optimize immune function, you need to look at your whole lifestyle, making sure you're getting enough exercise, enough sleep, making sure you're finding ways to better manage with stress, because stress can hamper immune function. And then, of course, eating a healthy whole foods diet, high in fruits, vegetables, foods that are rich in nutrients that help support immune function. Now, with respect to stress, researchers have found that when people are under high amounts of stress, it can actually impair the body's ability to fight off colds and flu. When you're under stress, it can suppress the activity of different components of the immune system, different immune cells, for example, the T helper cells. And those are components of our immune system that are very active in helping to fight off colds and flu. So stress is something that has to be addressed. And you mentioned earlier about how sun-theanine is effective for fighting colds and flus. And in fact, researchers at the University of Florida and the Nutritional Science Research Institute looked at the effect of a product called Immune Guard, which contains sun-theanine, L-theanine, and also EGCG, which is a catechin or an antioxidant present in green tea. And they looked at the ability of this supplement to ward off colds and flu in a group of 120 individuals. And what they found is that taking this Immune Guard on a regular basis had a significant impact on the immune system. It actually reduced the number of people getting cold and flu by 32%. It decreased symptoms in those that did get sick. It reduced symptoms by 36%, and it reduced the need for medication by 58%. So that's very, very significant. I think most people, if they had the option, would like to know how they could protect themselves against cold and flu and really bolster their immune system. And one of the researchers that was involved in this study, Jack Bukowski, who's a medical doctor, he's an assistant clinical professor of medicine at Harvard Medical School. I've had the opportunity to meet him and discuss with him his research and utilizing this product called Immune Guard, which contains the sun-theanine and the EGCG. And I find that the results are very fascinating and very encouraging, because here we have a supplement that can help protect us against cold and flu, support immune system, but there's some other side benefits. It helps to reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and just help to heighten and improve our whole mental focus. So I think it's really exciting.
Immune Guard.
It's called Immune Guard, and it contains the sun-theanine form of L-theanine along with EGCG, which is an antioxidant catechin found in green tea.
We had the pleasure of doing an article in Total Health on Immune Guard, and I agree with you wholeheartedly. Thank you very much.
Thank you.